Hello, we're examining the marketing metrics of Aussie Pooch Mobile. We are aiming to increase the number of inquiries from our marketing objectives, increase lead generation from call centre and website-based activities, increase brand recognition through promotional activities all throughout a 2-year period.
The metrics that will be discussed are advertising elasticity of demand, price and margin channels, cost per acquisition, and marketing return on investment revenue. Metric 1. Advertising elasticity of demand. This refers to the responsiveness of individuals due to a change in advertising expense. Advertising elasticity is a measure of an advertising campaign's effectiveness in generating sales. It is relevant to Aussie Pooch Mobile as it helps in deciding if advertising should be increased, decreased, or maintained at a present level. It also assists with studying the effects of advertisement on sales revenue and evaluating the various types of advertising that can be and are used and which ones work most effectively.
Metric 2. Selling price and margin channels. Used to calculate the selling price at each level in the distribution channel. It is a useful metric to use as it allows a company to see the difference between the selling price and the cost each service has on its business. It is relevant to Aussie Pooch Mobile. This allows Pooch Mobile to compare the supplier selling price to the customer selling price. Being able to compare prices also helps see what is costing the most, possibly find a cheaper alternative, for example, getting shampoo from a different supplier, increasing the cost of the service.
Metric 3. Marketing return on investment revenue. This measures the rate at which marketing efforts and spending directly impacts profits. It also allows marketers to show a return on their investment and decides the incremental financial impact linked by marketing by the total marketing spend. It is relevant as it is a significant advertising expense for franchises, which highlights the need for the most efficient and effective marketing practices to be identified and implemented. Aussie Pooch Mobile have complete control over the marketing and promotions and need to be justifiable to their franchises on their implementation of specific practices to help them understand how their expenses are being spent.
Metric 4. Cost per acquisition. This examines the relationship between the cost of acquiring a sale through a digital marketing operation such as through websites and call centres. It is relevant to Aussie Pooch Mobile as it links customers to operations, which is vital for enacting customer service and finalising the sale. Understanding the cost involved in this process can determine the value of digital activities in attaining sales, can determine problems associated with poor performing franchises along lead to sale processes.
Created using Powtoon.